I write down goals of where I want to be in 3 years. And I think about businesses that I want to be as big of or as great of in 3 years' time. And then it'd be down to what are they doing? And then why am I different? And why is my business going to be different to that? 1 year is a bit, oh shit, another year's gone by. You want your brand to be future proof, you want your website to be future proof in 3 years' time. And then I do think that you need to act as big as you want to be. Don't think there's only a few of us. Just think, okay, it was 15 of us. And I am going to market the shit out of it because that is who I want to be. And I want to attract bigger, better clients and just do that. I was given the advice a few years ago to write down what your unique proposition is. Write it down once a day for the next 10 days and then go back and see which one is the right one, which can be quite a good activity as well. If you were to describe your agency in one sentence, what you're doing and why you're special, and then the next day, and then that's your elevator pitch and your headline on your website, give or take how you word it. That's the essence of it.